Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very special to you. We are going to do an unboxing of Belzona, a world famous industrial repair and protection product. We will open the box and see what is inside, explain how to use it and also discuss the amazing benefit of Belzona. So let's start. As you see, this is the Zona kit. When we open the box, inside we get mixing tool like applicator, brush, and Belzona base component and Belzona solidifier hardener. Belzona base component, this is usually a resin, and solidifier hardener, this is curing agent. Now let's see how to use Belzona. Number one, surface preparation. First, clean the surface properly. Remove oil, grease, rust. And second thing is mix the base component and solidifier as per given ratio. Commonly 5 and 1 is a ratio. 5% solidifier and 1% hardener you can use. And third thing is application. Apply the mixed Belzona paste on the damaged area with a brush. And the fourth is curing. Leave it for curing. The curing time depend on the product grade and temperature, but normally it is set within few hours. And then turn to the service once fully cured, and the equipment can be used again without welding and hot work. What is the benefit of Belzona? Number one is easy to apply. It is easy to apply, cold application, no hot work needed. Second thing is time saving. Fourth is strong and durable. And five is multiple purpose. You can work on metal, concrete, and many other materials. And next thing is cost effective repair instead of replacement, save use cost. And next thing is safety, no flame, no spark, or no welding, very safe in hazardous area. So friends, this was our Belzona unboxing and usage guide. You can see what comes inside the box, how to use it, and what benefit is offered in industries. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more engineering and maintenance related video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video. Allah Hafiz.